We will now be inviting questions from the audience. Please.
I'll just read the introduction. It says, some of the first images that came to my mind when I was told to write the story of the superstar were these: actor, robot, dark, carpenter, rowdy, bus conductor, God, mediation, yoga, tufts of grey, Amitabh Bachchan, Jayalalitha, Madrasi, politician. However, the most untouched and the most intriguing facet of this man, who holds a godlike status amongst women, seems to be his spirituality. Spirituality as opposed to his lifestyle, his films, and his notorious early years. But then, which of them depicted the real Rajnikant? To know more, read the book.
Good evening, everybody. I'm late because when Sajid is around, nobody gets a chance to talk. So I let him have his full and then I take over. Thus he stood transfixed, his body tense, his arms outstretched, his hands cupped in front of himself. Nervous anticipation writ on his sweaty face. "Cotton out!" shouted the boy, who rolled across his goodly. All the mischief and challenge dancing in his eyes was short-lived. "Ow!" he yelled, as he felt his earlobe twisted. It was Sudhakar, the shop owner. Shivaji worked for him part-time. "Sir, please," he grinned in spite of his pain. "Let go of my ear." "Your ear, is it?" Sudhakar sneered, twisting it further. "It hurts, right?" Desan could have been killed with that hammer. Then who'd feed his family? Who'd make up for the loss of work here? You? A good for nothing? Disgusted, he pushed the youngster aside. "I'd heard people say that Rama had given birth to Raki, but you're black inside out." The physical hurt ceased to exist, as the spiteful words overtook all else. A piercing pain blazed a fiery path from deep within Shivaji's gut up to his tearful eyes. Smacking his fist into the palm of his hand, he looked away to control his wrath, but with slow deliberation, he turned around to face Sudhakar. "Sir," he said, "if you have the guts, let's split open your fair skin and my black skin. Let's see if your blood is white or red, like mine." Sudhakar shrunk back from the part of those bloodshot eyes as if physically hit. The explosive moment passed when the 60-year-old Kumar, Sudhakar's senior most employee, intervened softly. Sudhakar saw, "Let it be. He's still young." Lord Krishna was dark, and once Shiva and Rama dark too, so why target this child? Sudhakar, relieved at the chance to look at it from the menace in Shivaji's eyes, retorted, "How can you compare this idiot to Lord Rama and Krishna? They are gods. This boy is an ignorant ruffian." Shivaji flicked black and oily lock of hair fading across his eyes. He glared at Sudhakar, and then, to the amazement of all, he burst out laughing. "What the?" Sudhakar's face turned bright red with anger. The unpredictability of youth taking over, Shivaji replied with ill-disguised mirth. "Lord Krishna was naughty, right? Shiva was the destroyer, and Radha was influenced by men." Lost in thought, he continued, albeit in a softer tone. "And yet they fought several wars in this world, as also the wars raging within themselves." His eyes glazed over. He was conscious of nobody in the small dusty workshop until, straightening his back with resolve, he announced, "I too am a warrior, and I will be victorious. You watch." All stood silent. All stood still. Only the fine sawdust particles danced as if energized with the rays of the setting sun, transmitted into magical gold dust, before settling onto Shivaji's determined eyes. Desan, the actual witness and the accidental cause of his furor, could not help but stare at Shivaji with unconcealed awe.
Thank you so much. So now we will be moving questions from the audience, please. I pass on the mic.
But Rajnikant, because why not Rajnikant actually? He is such a big superstar. And the thing is, when I had just completed my previous project, and I was just browsing the net, and I came across a picture of him sitting in this cave, dark cave, with an overnight stubble and meditating. And it really intrigued me, and I said, I have to delve deeper and find out more about this person whom everybody knows as the man who flips his cigarettes up and who throws his glasses and all that gimmickry. I just thought this was a side that people don't know about. And I started writing, and I loved the whole process of writing about it. Thank you.
That leads to my second question. Have you met him?
I haven't met him, but his brother, his older brother, Mr. Satyanarayan Rao Gaikwad. In fact, when I began writing this book, I tried to get in touch with him. There were a lot of people around him, and they said he was not well. He had just come back from Singapore that time, so he couldn't meet anybody. And I was on the verge of giving up writing about him because there were so many obstacles. But then something happened. It was destined to be. I met his brother, his older brother, who's brought him up. And I went to their home, and he told me, I think I'm talking on Rajnikant's behalf. And he wrote a note in this book, and it's very beautiful. Thank you.
Who is this warrior within, according to you? Who is the warrior? What do you find? What did you find?
Warrior within, I didn't get what you mean by that.
Who is this person?
Like I said earlier, that there is a warrior within all of us, whether man or woman, whether superstar or common man. So I think if you need to know who the warrior within is, one has to just look at yourself, and probably find the answer. We're all fighting something in life, and we're all happy also. But yeah, the warrior within is all of us. All of us, yeah. Thank you.
Personally, I've just met him 2 times. Once when I was like 14 or 15, I bunked my 10th standard exam because there was a nightclub called Xanadu in Hotel. So I used to go there and break dance because free entry was physically. But I remember he was shooting, I think, for he did a lot of Bollywood films, and I think he was staying in Hotel Horizon. So he came down from the room just to go to the nightclub because everybody was going to the nightclub, but he was wearing a chudar kurta and he was wearing chappal. So I think the bouncer stopped him. At that minute, the bouncer did not realize who he was talking. You see, in the 80s, superstar Rajnikant was not really a superstar. He became a superstar in the mid-90s. Then this whole magic of the most imitated man, perhaps after Charlie Chaplin, on the planet, I mean, I've seen 5, 6, 7-year-old kids who probably not seen his movies, but they also imitate him. They imitate his mannerisms. So he stopped him from entering, and all I remember was Rajni said very nicely said, okay, I'll go wear chappals, I'll wear my shoes and come back. The manager came running out. The manager came and he started firing the security guy, the bouncer. Okay, how can you stop him? He told him, no, it's not his fault. He's only doing his job. That's the time I realized, my God, such a big star and such a down-to-earth, humble person. That's the only time I remember actually seeing him as a child. And then once I met him, I was shooting in Hyderabad. I briefly met him for like 10 seconds, and those 10 seconds I was down at his feet. I'm like a mad fan of all these guys.
जैसे कि आपने बताया कि आप रजनीकांत के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं और आप फिल्म भी बनाते हैं, तो अगर एक फिल्म, अगर रजनीकांत की कोई फिल्म का रीमेक बनाना हो आपको साउथ की, वो
नहीं बना सकते नहीं बना सकते और अगर बना सकते हैं तो व्हाई नॉट, एम्बिशियसली सबको सोचना ही चाहिए, बट आई डोंट थिंक वो कोई ऐसी फिल्म करेंगे बॉलीवुड में जो उनके बारे में ना हो, और उनके बारे में फिल्म बनाने के लिए मतलब आपको 250, 300, 400 करोड़ का बजट चाहिए होगा, प्लस इतनी केयरफुली उनकी हर पिक्चर को बनाना पड़ता है क्योंकि उनके इतने सारे फैंस हैं. He has to be portrayed absolutely correct. क्या होता है, बहुत कम बार ना एक्टर फिल्म के ऊपर हो जाता है। रजनीकांत इज दैट एग्जाम्पल। जब आप फिल्म देखने नहीं जा रहे हो, आप उनको देखने जा रहे हो और उनकी इर्द गिर्द फिल्म चल रही है, यू नो, तो उनकी अगर फिल्म फ्लॉप भी होती है तो भी पैसा रिकवर कर लेती है, यू नो। तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा अगर उनके साथ फ्रेंड्स की कोई प्रॉपर फिल्म बनाए। तो हैट्स ऑफ टू डायरेक्टर्स लाइक शंकर एंड ऑल फॉर प्रेजेंटिंग इट इन मूवीज लाइक रोबो एंड शिवाजी द बॉस, यू नो। सो दैट्स इट।
साजिद, एक दौर चला था जब रजनीकांत के बहुत जोक्स चलते थे, तो उसके उनके बारे में क्या राय है? जोक्स
जैसा मैंने कहा, जोक्स के साथ ना आज की डेट में जोक्स एक फैड हो गया है। मुझे लगता है कि पिछले 2 साल में अगर मुझे ₹1 मिलता एक हम शक्ल की जोक के ऊपर, तो आज मैं करोड़ वो एक फैड हो गया। आई थिंक वो, एंड नाउ दीज आर द टाइम्स वी लिव इन, सो वन मस्ट लर्न टू लिव एंड लाफ। आई एम श्योर उन्होंने भी सुनी होंगी उनके बारे में जोक्स, बट आई डोंट थिंक यू मस्ट बी चार्जिंग मनी। बट आई थिंक जोक्स तभी होते हैं जब आप पॉपुलर होते हैं, और पॉपुलैरिटी आपकी तभी बढ़ती है जब आप चर्चे में आते हो और लोग आपके बारे में बात करते हैं। भले वो अच्छी बातें करें, बुरी बातें करें, यू नो, लाइक दिस इज देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज बैड न्यूज और गुड न्यूज, इट्स ऑलवेज गुड न्यूज दैट पीपल टॉक अबाउट। तो आई थिंक और आई थिंक आज की डेट में थोड़े जोक्स कम भी होते हैं, गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर ज्यादा हो रहे हैं।
You know, in Hindi or Punjabi we say "Tumhare muँh mein ghee shakkar." That's what I want to say. I mean, I hope that happens. That would be beautiful. Okay. So yes, I hope one day becomes a movie, and even an animated movie would also be nice. Because Rajinikanth has this, you know, zip zap zoom kind of image. So yeah, it's a great. Thanks.
For those who want the copies to be signed by the author, I also really want to thank all the celebrities out there, the people on the dais, the voted CD team, the Tiger Waves store team as well. So thank you all for being part of this occasion. The refreshments will be served outside the store.
It's about him that I'm here, and you know, the warrior within the book. I think Seema has done a fantastic job. Whatever I read from the book or heard from the book, and I'm trying to go home and read it because I am truly one of his biggest fans, if not the biggest.
साजिद, हमेशा से कंपैरिजन भी होता रहा है रजनीकांत सर का और अमिताभ बच्चन का, क्योंकि एक ही दौर से
जी,
निकले हैं वो
जी,
लोग।
जी, जी।
तो आपकी क्या राय है इस बारे में?
आई थिंक आप दो अलग ओशंस को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं यार, कि कौन सी ओशन ज़्यादा गहरी है, कौन सी ओशन ज़्यादा वास्ट है। आई थिंक बहुत अनफेयर होगा कंपेयर करना Amitabh Bachchan, who is a living legend, with Rajinikanth, who is a living legend superstar. Both of them are superstars in their own rights, and both of them have immense fan following and immense love and immense respect. So I think उन दोनों को compare करना, I think वो दोनों को अगर आप पूछें, अगर आप रजनीकांत सर को पूछें कि कौन है बड़ा सुपरस्टार, तो आई एम श्योर हिल से श्री अमिताभ बच्चन और अमित जी को पूछें तो वो बोलेंगे श्री रजनीकांत।
आपको भी ऐसा लगा कि रजनीकांत को वो ड्यू नहीं मिला बॉलीवुड में?
नहीं, बट मेरे हिसाब से बहुत लोगों को बॉलीवुड में वो ड्यू नहीं मिला है जो रीजनल सिनेमा में उनको मिला है। बट जिस तरह से रजनी सर को ड्यू मिला है और जिस तरह से उन्होंने रीजनल सिनेमा को वर्ल्ड वाइड प्रेजेंट किया है, his collections are, or I think, as good as Jackie Chan's as an Asian superstar.
Rajinikanth? Yes, Rajinikanth did try. उन्होंने कोशिश की थी कि 80s में फिल्म्स करने की बॉलीवुड में, लेकिन somehow बुक में लिखा हुआ है कि उनको इतना पसंद नहीं किया नॉर्थ इंडियंस ने। एक उनके लुक, उनके स्टाइल्स, उनके मैनरिज्म्स ज़्यादा शायद नॉर्थ इंडियंस, बॉम्बेइट्स को पसंद नहीं आए, बट द थिंग इज़ एक्चुअली कि रजनीकांत इज़ अ महाराष्ट्रियन एंड यू नो ही कुड स्पीक हिंदी वेल, बट वो एक्सेंट आता था। उन्होंने एक जगह बोला है, मैं जब बेंगलोर में जाता हूँ तो मुझे महाराष्ट्रियन बोलते हैं, जब मैं बॉम्बे में जाता हूँ तो मुझे मद्रासी बोलते हैं, और मद्रास में मुझे मराठी बोलते हैं, तो मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, मैं हूँ कौन, यू नो, दैट्स द थिंग। सो
एक्सपीरियंस ने बताया तो एक फेवरेट चीज़ जो आपने जानी है रजनीकांत की, जो ऑडियंस जानना चाहती है।
एक फेवरेट चीज़ रजनीकांत की, आई थिंक इट वुड बी, आई कांट से ब्लू लेबल, बट आई से हिज स्पिरिचुअलिटी, और उनका जो उनकी जिनसे भी मैंने बात की, उन्होंने कहा कि रजनीकांत हैज़ नो ईगो, ही हैज़ नो ईगो, इसीलिए वो कुछ भी पहन के कहीं भी आ सकते हैं एंड वी स्टिल लव हिम। सो दैट इज द थिंग अबाउट इट।
साजिद, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि एक शख्सियत बॉलीवुड में या साउथ में जिस पे आपको बुक लिखनी पड़े, वो कौन सा शख्स होगा जिस पे आप लिखना चाहेंगे या फिल्म बनाना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक अगर जितना ही बड़ा मैं फ़ैन रजनी सर का हूँ, आई थिंक उतना ही बड़ा फ़ैन मैं कमल हासन जी का भी हूँ। मैं कमल हासन साहब का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, उनकी कोई भी फिल्म मिस नहीं करता हूँ। तो आई थिंक उनकी लाइफ भी एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग किताब रहेगी, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग। व्हाट डू यू फील?
Absolutely.
आई थिंक दैट शुड बी योर नेक्स्ट बुक।
Absolutely, because Rajnikant and Kamal Hassan एक पैरेलल चलते रहे हैं, और उनके फैंस की वजह से उनको they couldn't work together after 1980s.
And both I think were introduced by K. Balachandran sir.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
K. Balachandran introduced both of them, one as a villain, one as a hero. Actually, yeah.
so
नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट क्या चल रहा है, आप किस पे काम कर रहे हो, बताइए।
डिज्नी यूटीवी के साथ अगले साल चालू कर रहा हूँ पिक्चर, उसके बाद साजिद नडियाडवाला के साथ, साजिद नडियाडवाला एंड साजिद खान आर बैक।
कौन सी फिल्म है, मतलब बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
नेक्स्ट ईयर
अभी डिसाइड नहीं हुआ ना?
हुआ है, डिसाइड नेक्स्ट ईयर।
ओके,
थैंक यू सो मच।
ऑलराइट।